Welcome to Master English Stories. This is the place where powerful true stories help you improve your English, while also learning valuable life lessons. Here, every story is not just about language, it's about motivation, success, and growing both your mind and your skills. Let's make learning English easy, inspiring, and full of meaning together. Today's story is different. It's not just about one person. It's about you, me, and all of us. It's about a question people have asked for thousands of years. What makes a good life? Is it money? Is it success? Is it love? Or is it something else? Let's begin the journey. There was once a young boy named Omar who loved asking questions. One day, while walking in the park, he saw an old man sitting on a bench, smiling at the trees. Omar asked him, "Excuse me, sir, can I ask you something?" The old man looked at him kindly. "Of course, my boy," Omar said. "What makes a good life?" The old man laughed gently. The big question," he said. "Let me tell you a story. Once," the old man said, "there was a boy named Rafik. He was poor, but had big dreams. He believed that a good life came from having money. So he worked very hard. He sold fruits in the market. He studied day and night. He saved every coin. Years passed. Rafik became rich. He bought a big house, a fancy car, and many things. But deep inside, he still felt empty. He asked himself, "Why am I still not happy?" One night, while eating alone in his big house, he remembered his childhood playing football with his friends, laughing with his parents, and sleeping peacefully with nothing. He realized something. Money is important, but it is not everything. The old man continued. There was a girl named Layla. She wanted to be famous. She thought if everyone loved her, she would be happy. She became a singer. Her face was on TV. People followed her. Cameras were always around, but slowly, she felt tired. She couldn't go to the market. She couldn't eat in peace. People always watched her. She smiled outside, but cried inside. One day, she visited her grandmother in the village. There were no cameras, no fans, but her grandmother hugged her and said, "You are enough." In that simple moment, Layla felt true joy. She understood. Fame is nice, but love is deeper. Then there was a man named Kareem. The old man said. He wanted to be powerful. Those children grew up remembering his kind voice and warm heart. His life was simple, but it was full. There was an old woman who planted trees she would never sit under. She said, "Maybe someone else will rest under their shade." That is love without reward. That is what makes a good life. There was a baker who always gave free bread to the poor. When asked why, he said, "Because once I was hungry and someone helped me." A heart that remembers kindness becomes a light to the world. There was a man who never traveled. He lived his whole life in one village, but he knew every neighbor's name. He smiled at everyone. When he died, the whole village cried. They said, "He was a good man." That's enough. That is greatness. Now, dear listener, let me ask you, what makes your life feel good? What moments bring you peace? Who do you love and who loves you? You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be famous. You just need to be real, to be kind, to live with meaning. So the next time you ask, what makes a good life? Remember this story. It's not about money, not about being busy. It's about peace in your heart, love in your home, and purpose in your steps. Thank you so much for watching Master English Stories. We truly appreciate your time, your attention, and your heart. If this story inspired you, please don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. Even a few words from you can motivate us to keep bringing more powerful and meaningful stories. This channel isn't just about learning English, it's about growing as a person. Through the lives of real heroes and great thinkers, you're not only improving your language skills, you're also learning how to face life's challenges, how to believe in yourself, and how to never give up. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs hope, courage, or just a little inspiration today. Because sometimes one simple story can change someone's day or even their life. And remember, a good life is not lived fast. It's lived fully, with purpose, with patience, and with passion. One moment at a time, one lesson at a time, one step at a time. So keep watching, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. We're so proud of you, and we're happy to be part of your journey. See you in the next story, and until then, stay strong, stay kind, and keep moving forward.